Hey, are you awake?
Yeah. I was just scrolling. What about you?
Same. Tried sleeping, but brain said no.
That's the worst. Once thoughts start, there's no stop button.
Exactly. I thought maybe calling you would help.
I'm glad you did.
Hope I didn't disturb you.
No, not at all. I was feeling a bit restless anyway.
Long day?
Yeah. Work was fine, but mentally, just tired.
One of those days where nothing goes wrong, yet everything feels heavy.
You described it perfectly.
I had the same feeling. Sat quietly after dinner. No phone, no TV. Still felt noisy inside.
Silence can be loud sometimes.
True. So what usually helps you on nights like this?
Talking. Or music. Or just knowing someone's there.
Then I'm happy I called.
Me too.
It's funny. We barely knew each other a few days ago.
I was thinking the same. And now this feels normal.
Comfortable, actually.
Yeah. Comfortable is the right word.
Do you also feel pressure sometimes, like you should be doing more in life?
All the time. Especially at night.
Same. Daytime keeps us busy, but night exposes everything.
True. At night, there's no distraction.
Just thoughts and questions.
And comparisons.
That's the worst part.
You know what I like about talking to you?
What?
You don't try to fix things. You just listen.
Because I don't have answers myself.
That's okay. Sometimes listening is enough.
I'm learning that.
Me too.
What time do you usually sleep?
Officially? 11. Reality? Whenever sleep agrees.
Haha, same here.
Tomorrow's Monday. That thought itself is stressful.
Don't remind me. I'm avoiding thinking about it.
Same. Let's pretend tomorrow is far away.
Deal.
I'm glad we met, Rahul.
I was about to say that.
This call, it helped.
It helped me too. Mind feels lighter.
Funny how simple conversations do that.
Yeah. No big topics. Still meaningful.
We should do this again. Not every night, but sometimes.
I'd like that.
Okay. I think I'm finally feeling sleepy.
Same. Call did its magic.
Good night, Rahul.
Good night, Neha. Sleep well.
You too.